Metal is the preferred construction material in the industrial building sector. This is due to its diverse and many beneficial attributes. The roof of any building is the most exposed area and must stand up to harsh environmental conditions such as UV attack, acid rain, and airborne pollutants. A metal roof relies heavily upon its protective coatings to prevent these conditions reaching the metal substrate, which would quickly corrode if left unprotected. To maximize the roof's life cycle, the protective coatings must be monitored, repaired and refurbished at the correct time, and in line with the original British standards to which it was built. Special attention should be paid to roof sheets, as they typically show the first signs of needing attention. The cut edge and overlap joint is especially vulnerable during phase 1 of the aging process due to the effects of capillary action. This draws sulfur-contaminated rainwater into the joint, which causes the double hazard of topside and reverse side corrosion. During the second phase, the coating on the main part of the roof will start to break down at a rate determined by location, orientation and design. The resulting rust stains and lines of corrosion along joints make for an unsightly roof surface. If maintenance is neglected, the roof will break down beyond repair, leaving no option but a costly, complete replacement. And while coating breakdown may be inevitable, it can be treated. As the market-leading gutter and roof refurbishment experts, we can help determine what point your building is at in the aging process. Our detailed analysis covers everything from roof sheet condition and suitability of fixings to roof light inspection. And these findings result in a detailed condition report along with our recommendations for remedial works. Our solutions suit each phase of the building life cycle. Seamsill for cut-edge corrosion, Delcoat for full roof coating, and Del Glaze for roof light coatings. Seamsill has been the go-to for cut-edge corrosion for over 20 years. Users should take care to address not just visible corrosion on the top side of the sheet. In fact, the reverse side is more vulnerable, as water is held here by capillary action. So it's essential that the lap is thoroughly dried by mechanical means, and any rust around the area to be treated is returned back to bright metal before any works commence. Once the overlap is prepared, seal using Seamsill sealant to prevent water re-entering the lap and causing further corrosion. Applying 2 coats of Seamsill gives guaranteed coverage and the tensile strength to cope with the movement of the metal sheets. Once the system is in place, the lap won't hold water, so the building is protected against ongoing reverse side corrosion. The roof will need to be fully coated once it enters phase 2 of its life cycle, in order to avoid expensive replacement. For over 20 years, the Delcoat system has been trusted by specifiers and contractors. It can be roller or spray applied in 2 coats of contrasting colors for guaranteed quality assurance. This guarantees the installer doesn't miss any areas and leave the roof vulnerable to further corrosion. Del Glaze is a translucent coating designed to extend the life and improve light transmission of roof lights. Roof lights are the most fragile areas, so we'll fully inspect to determine their condition. Once thoroughly cleaned, we'll apply the required 2 coats of Del Glaze. Sharman's is the complete solution for your metal roofing needs. Our systems have been protecting metal for decades. Our industry-leading technical advice will help you specify the correct solution at the correct point in your building's life cycle, all in line with the relevant British standards. In partnership with our network of approved contractors, we sign off your project from survey to completion. Sharman's Metal Roof Solutions, guaranteed for 25 years. Tried, tested, proven.